Personal trainers, you could be making stacks of money and loving your careers if you were working with the right kind of clients. Usually when we think about the right kind of client for personal training, we're thinking about people who want to lose weight, people who want to put on muscle, people who want to fit into that dress or into that suit for the big event. They might even want to get some abs for summertime when they're going to be on the beach. All of this kind of work is great work. It helps the kind of client who we're talking about, all of these people, gain more confidence and live more fulfilling lives. The problem is these people can get helped in so many different places. Like here, or there, right across the street, or in any of these places that we searched on Google in the exact same town. I don't know about you, but I see a lot of people on this boardwalk who need help, who don't fit in the category of the people we talked about a moment ago. Just in case it wasn't that clear to you who I'm talking about, let me show you. All of these people worked with ALPs. Come here. Mike was told he might never get out of his wheelchair again and certainly was never going to be able to run. Larry was told surfing is out of the question after the knee injury that you had and the surgery that you got. Lori was told getting on the ground and playing with your grandkids might be something that's passed you by. And Nick was told you might want to find new hobbies because volleyball's out of the question with that shoulder injury. And ALPs helped them get back to the life that they wanted. That's what made them so valuable. Our local business has a wait list for new clients. You might be thinking to yourself, well, you must be the least expensive business in town. Or that our staff is spending all of their time prospecting and selling new members. But neither of those things are true. We're 4 times more expensive than the second most expensive business in town that does fitness. Our personal training sessions are twice as expensive as the second most expensive personal training sessions in town. And we're the ones with the wait list? Well, they're out there looking for more leads. How is this possible? And what we're seeing is that our clients are getting those same results. No matter where in the country they coach, their books of business are full. They're making more money than they've ever made in their entire lives. And they're working with clients that they wake up excited to serve, who are coming to them for the easiest sales conversations of their careers because they're providing a service that nobody else is even thinking about providing to the market. How are we doing it? It's by using this education that nobody else in the fitness industry or the medical system has. That's why they're neglecting so many people who are craving the kind of results that our clients are able to get for them. So go ahead and see what kind of education it takes to help the people that the fitness industry and the medical system have neglected. Click that link or wherever we put it to download the ALP curriculum. Find out if the kind of content that we teach to our mentees is stuff that you're inspired to learn and to bring to your career so that you can wake up every single day fulfilled to serve your clients and never worry about whether you're going to be able to pay your bills again.